Glad to meet you everyone. Myself Rajshekhar. I am going to explain about the fire and safety. Just fire and safety. Fire and safety. First of all, what is the fire? What is the fire? Fire is nothing but increasing the temperature. For example, we increase the 10 centigrade, there will be no fire. 20 centigrade, there will be no fire. 50 centigrade, there will be light, a smoke. Then it increases to 100 centigrade temperature, there will be fire. There will be fire. But 500 centigrade, there will be much such fire. Then fire. Increasing the temperature only is called as fire. And we are observing that in industrial area, workshop area, fire accident is common, and it's also in our safety. This big hazard, and it creates lot of loss. That's why we have to know how to what is the fire and how can we control it and how to take the precautions about this fire and safety. Okay, let's know about the fire and safety. Generally, we are fire is classified into 5 types: A, B, C, D, K. A type is become by wood sources, paper, plastic, like this, and B caused by the just gases, not gases, liquid, which is like petroleum oil and oil. This one is become second category. That category is electrical spark, short circuit. By this one is belonging to C. And D one is some chemicals can make a gas, make a fire. For example, white phosphorus. When till the wet, it will not create any fire. But when it will be dry, it creates fire. That's why white phosphorus always be in a minus degree. Okay, next K-type. K-type means nothing but cooking oil, cooking hazard. This belongs to this one. For example, we are cooking something, there will be fire. It's called by K-type. Okay, let's go about the how can we prevent this one. What is the structure of the fire? The fire has one triangle structure. Top one is source. It may be A, B, C, or D, or C. It's a source. And next axis is temperature increases. I already tell you that temperature increases, fire will be increases. Okay. Then one is fire related gases or fire related petroleum. Like which one is increasing to the temperature or fire? This one belongs to this stage, and this one oxygen, O2 or air. By three axis, its fire will be grown on. we want to control this fire, just we have to remove any axis, the fire will be automatically controlled. For example, here I am burning some sticks with plastic, okay, then here is the source is sticks, and I am putting the oil, gases and petroleum, it will be temperature increase, and O2 from air side, it will be increase also this one. For example, I remove this sticks, there will be fire? No, there will be petroleum on oxygen, there will be no fire. For example, I am keeping the sticks, I decrease the total this one, petroleum putting this one, then this one, the fire will be cast till this side, this one, not for this stick, entire stick. It will be closed. And next, for example, I put one blanket or something else like this on this one. There will be no O2 supply. Then it also will be fell down. That's only the simple matter is the fire having the structure. What is the triangle structure? Triangle structure, source, temperature increment, oxygen. If we remove any one, it will be closed. Okay. Next, I am going to explain about this. How to prevention. How to protect when the fire accident is done. This is a fire cylinder. It's indicated by A, B, or C, or D. A, B, C, or D, and K. Which one related we have used? For example, A type fire we are going to use this one, but B type, but K type fire we cannot use this one because of it's not indicated by C. Then how do we use the? We have to mind P A S S. P A S S. P plus pull the pin. Pull the pin. Just remove the pin. Okay. Then it's having one handle. Handle and aim on the gas. Aim on the fire. Paper. Aim on the fire like, and it's the handle. Squeeze the handle. When the squeezing is not, some gas or some fire particles will come from this one, and then side by side and fire. We will pulling this one and using like this. Then after the fire will automatically close. Okay, next.